Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about Comet's theoretical aspects of social statistics and social dynamics. Before starting our topic, I request you please subscribe and do share and like. So let's start without any wastage of time. Comet divided sociology into two theoretical aspects. One is social statistics and another is social dynamics. So talking about the social statistics, so it focuses on how order is maintained in the society, and social dynamic focuses on how changes over time. So it means how society changes over time, and Comet separated social statistics from social dynamics. He says that social statistics are concerned with ways in which the parts of social system, so it means social structures, interact with one another, as well as functional relationships between the parts and to the social system as a whole. Comments therefore focused his social statistics on the on the individual as well as such collective phenomena as a family, religion, language, and the division of labor. Comet placed greater emphasis on the study of social dynamics or social change because his theory of social dynamics is founded on the law of three stages. The evolution of society is based on the evolution of mind through the theological, metaphysical, and positivist stage. I make a video on that, you can check that video. So he says that the social dynamics as a process of progressive evolution in which people become cumulatively more intelligent, and in the altruism eventually triumphs over egoism. So this process is one of the that people can modify or accelerate, but in the end the laws or progressive development dictate the development of the society. So the Comet's research on the social evolution is focused on the Western Europe, so which he viewed as the most highly developed part of the world during his times. This distinction between social statistics and social dynamics is one of the lasting contributions to sociology. His aim was to create the naturalistic science of society in which he could explain the past developments of mankind and predict the future course. The concept of social statistics relates to the assumptions that the order of the society knowable. Without this basic premise, the study of the social sciences lacks rational predictability. So in social statistics it is the order of the society. This order includes structural components like family, government, and economics, and the interaction between these components. August Comet, the father of sociology, based social statistics on the positivistic philosophy. In creating the science of sociology, Comet moved the explanations of how and why the society away from the theological and metaphysical towards from the rational and scientific. It means society leaves the theological and metaphysical stage and moves towards the rational and scientific stage. So this is similar to the Plato's basic assumption that the order of society is knowable and explainable, and illustrated in the Republic. Comet identified the elements of spontaneous order of social statistics as the individual, family, and society. Sociology does not focus on the study of an individual, but the way that the sociology does. For Comet, the simplest form of social unit is a family. All other social units build upon the family unit. The reason Comet included the individual as one of the elements in the social statistics was to illustrate a primary function of the family as a social unit, because to socialize the individual into the functioning member of the society. As a result of successful socialization in the expression of appropriate forms of interaction with all the elements of society. So the interaction of the family social unit with the rest of society illustrates Comet's concept of the division of labor. So the division of labor is an operational definition of social statistics. The interdependency of division of labor holds together social structure and interaction in an orderly fashion. In the family structure, there are roles that the husband, wife, and child play. For example, the role of the husband is interdependent upon the role of the wife. So the family unit cannot fulfill its dependent social purpose to reproduce and socialize offspring without the interdependency between husband and wife. So the interactions focus on socialization of the members of the family unit for the benefit and the greater and the greater society as a form of social control. So the division of labor creates not only interdependency but also social control because social control through the socialization process. Social control of sexual relations and reproduction is limited to the family unit, since this is the ideal method for providing for the basic needs of offsprings and socializing them. Social dynamics is the progressive change in social statistics. Comment's law of human progress is the foundation for social dynamics. The order of society changes over time in the progressive and positive direction, and a new social order succeeds an existing social order. In Comment's law of human progress, society had moved from the stage of theological to metaphysical and then to positivistic stage. Previously, I mentioned that his theory of social dynamics is founded on the law of three stages. I mentioned these stages. The evolution of society is based on the evolution of mind through the theological, metaphysical, and positivistic stage. Now we talk about the factors and characteristics of social statistics. So, first factor is social statistics refers to the study of the conditions and the preconditions of social order. Second, it is concerned with the present structure of the society. Third, it studies the issues of social stability and social order. Fourth, it studies the current laws, rules, and present conditions of the society. Fifth, it observes how these laws and rules are affecting the present society. Sixth, it investigates the law of action and reaction of the different parts of the social system. Seventh, it is concerned with the study of major institutions which preserve the social order. For example, I will give you an example. Family, it occupies an important position in social structure. It provides the base for the social order and progress in the society. So, as an individual, family, and social combinations are three levels of society. So, the family is the smallest and basic unit of sociology. So, three factors of social statistics are, according to the comment, they are language, religion, and division of labor. Talking about language, it means of sorting thoughts and culture for preceding generations. Without a common language, attaining solidarity and social order is not possible. Talking about religion, it provides the guidance for behavior and it is the root of social order. Talking about the division of labor, it is essential for the success of the state cooperation as it creates interdependency among the people in the society. You can look at the image. Unifying factors of society, you can remember these factors: language, religion, division of labor. These are the factors according to the Augustine comment. Now we talk about the social dynamics. So we describe here its characteristics and we understand what social dynamics actually is. In social statistics, I somehow mentioned about social dynamics. Now we understand it. Now we understand it correctly. Social dynamics is the progressive change in the social statistics. Comment's law of human progress is the foundation for social dynamics. The order of society changes over time in the progressive positive direction, and a new social order succeeds an existing social order. In Comment's law of human progress, society had moved from the stage of theological to metaphysical and then to positivist stage. So, talking about the characteristics, it begins with the study of the process of social change. Therefore, it is concerned with the matter of social process. Here, the term progress refers to the orderly development of the society, which are according to the natural laws. Hence, the order and the progress or statistics and dynamics are co-related to each other. So, the dynamics begin with the high function of the social institutions are altered or changed. According to the comment, social dynamics describe the successive and necessary stages in the development of human mind and the society. Further, he opened that social dynamics should depend on historical perspectives in order to study the process of social change and progress. Thus, the social dynamics are found in all aspects of the society as the physical, moral, and intellectual. However, the intellectual is the most important. Social dynamics refers to the pattern of the evolutionary progress in which the sequence of the development is necessary and inevitable. Moreover, it is natural that the social system, such as institutions, are interrelated and interdependent so they can make a harmonious whole. So I hope you understand this topic. It's all about social statistics and social dynamics. See you in the next topic. Goodbye. Thank you.